Hi students, welcome to Master YouTube channel. Already நம்ம சேனல்ல 12th ஸ்டாண்டர்டுக்கான கோல்டன் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் போட்டுட்டோம். அந்த வீடியோ பார்க்காதவங்க செக் பண்ணி பார்த்துக்கோங்க. இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல 11th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் பிசிக்ஸ் டாப் மோஸ்ட் 2 மார்க் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போறோம். இந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ் நீங்க பப்ளிக் எக்ஸாம்ல நல்ல மார்க் ஸ்கோர் பண்ண யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும். சோ இந்த வீடியோவை ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாம ஃபுல்லா பாருங்க. வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள போலாம். First unit 1 இதுல important 2 mark questions பாத்தீங்கன்னா write about the types of physical quantities. Next, define precision and accuracy with one example. Then define one ampere. Then define one candela. Next, unit 2 பொறுத்தவரை எதெல்லாம் important questions னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா define a radian, explain what is mean by Cartesian coordinate system. Then define velocity and speed. Then define displacement and distance. Next, how do you deduce that two vectors are perpendicular? Next, write down the kinematic equations for angular motion. Next, unit 3 இதுல important 2 mark questions எதெல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா define one Newton, state Newton's second law, what is the meaning of pseudo force. Next, state Newton's third law. Then what are inertial frames. Next, under what condition will a car skid on a leveled circular road. Next, what are concurrent forces. State Lami's theorem. Next, unit 4 இதுல எதெல்லாம் important 2 mark questions னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா write the various type of potential energy, explain the formulae. Next பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு 4 terms define பண்ண கேட்டிருக்காங்க. இதுல ஏதாச்சும் ஒன்னு 2 marksல கேட்பாங்க. சோ அது எதெல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா coefficient of restitution, power, law of conservation of energy, laws of kinetic energy in inelastic collision. Then 5th unit பொறுத்தவரை எதெல்லாம் important questions னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா define center of mass, define torque and mention its unit. Next, give any 2 examples of torque in day-to-day life. Next, define couple. Then what is equilibrium. Next, how do you distinguish between stable and unstable equilibrium. Then state principle of moments. Then what is the condition for pure rolling. Next, 6th unit இதுல important questions அதெல்லாம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா state Newton's universal law of gravitation. Next, define the gravitational field, give its unit. Then what is the difference between gravitational potential and gravitational potential energy. Then is potential energy the property of a single object. Justify. Next, what is mean by escape speed in the case of the earth. Next, why the energy of a satellite is negative. Then define weight. Then why is there no lunar eclipse and solar eclipse every month. Next, unit 7 பொறுத்தவரை எதெல்லாம் important questions னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா which one of these is more elastic, steel or rubber. Why. Then define Poisson's ratio. Next, a spring balance shows wrong readings after using for a long time. Why. Then define coefficient of viscosity of a liquid. Next, state Pascal's law in fluids. Next, state Archimedes principle. Next, state the law of flotation. Next, what is Reynolds number? Give its significance. Next, define terminal velocity. Next, state Bernoulli's theorem. இது ரொம்பவே important ஆன question. Next, two streamlines cannot cross each other. Why? Then define surface tension of a liquid. Mention its SI unit and dimension. Next, unit 8 இதுல important 2 mark questions பாத்தீங்கன்னா define 1 mole. Then define specific heat capacity and give its units. Then define latent heat capacity, give its unit. Define molar specific heat capacity. Next, Stephen Boltzmann law. Then Wien's law. இதெல்லாமே ரொம்ப important ஆன questions. Then define thermal conductivity, give its unit. Then what is a black body. Then what are intensive and extensive variables, give examples. Next, state zeroth law of thermodynamics. Then define the internal energy of the system. Then define 1 calorie. Next பாத்தீங்கன்னா did Joule converted mechanical energy to heat energy. Explain. Then state the first law of thermodynamics. Next, what is PV diagram. Next, define the quasi-static process. Next, what is a cyclic process. Next, state Clausius form of second law of thermodynamics. Next, state Kelvin-Planck statement of second law of thermodynamics. Then, state the second law of thermodynamics in terms of entropy. Next question பாத்தீங்கன்னா, why does heat flow from a hot object to a cold object? Next, define the coefficient of performance. Next, unit 9. இதுல எதெல்லாம் important 2 mark questions பாத்தீங்கன்னா, define the term degree of freedom. Next, why moon has no atmosphere? Then, state the law of equipartition of energy. Next, define mean free path and write down its expression. And what is the relation between the average kinetic energy and pressure? Next, unit 10 பொறுத்தவரை எதெல்லாம் important questions பாத்தீங்கன்னா, what is mean by periodic and non-periodic motion? Give any 2 examples for each motion. Then, define time period of simple harmonic motion. Next, what is mean by force constant of a spring? Then, what is an epoch? Next, state the laws of simple pendulum. Next, what is mean by free oscillation? Then, define forced oscillation. Give an example. Next, explain resonance. Give an example. Next, unit 11. இதுல எதெல்லாம் important 2 mark questions பாத்தீங்கன்னா, write down the types of waves. Then, what is mean by waves? Next, explain Doppler effect. Then, what are transverse waves? Give one example. Next, what is mean by interference of waves? Then, define intensity of sound and loudness of sound. இது ரொம்பவே இம்பார்ட்டன்டான கொஸ்டின். Next, what is mean by an echo? Then, what is mean by N correction in resonance air column apparatus? Okay students, இந்த வீடியோல நாம 11th physics 2 mark golden questions தான் பார்த்தோம். இந்த questions எதையுமே skip பண்ணாம உங்க public examக்கு prepare பண்ணிக்கோங்க. All the best for your public examination. Thank you students.